Good morning student. Welcome to the virtual classes of Jet Kids. Today we will start our second chapter, that is more about Windows 10. More about Windows 10. Now we will see one by one what is coming in Windows 10. Okay, we will see what are the things we are using in Windows 10. So Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10, these are the parts of operating system. Operating system is working for us, where it is working for us, and we are using different types of operating system. Before this we have used Windows 7 and afterwards Windows 8, but nowadays we are using Windows 10. Okay, now we will see one by one each points, topics, what are the topics and how they represent in our Windows 10. So our first topic is icons. These are the small pictures that represent a program. These are the small pictures that represents a program. See, I will show you the image. This desktop, on our desktop means the screen which after starting the computer the screen is coming, that is your desktop. I already explained you in our last class. So on our desktop you see these types of images we are seeing. These are the pictures. See this PC. By using this PC we can go inside the computer and we can find out the drives, different type, 3 to 5 drives, 3 to 4 drives are present. C drive, D drive, E drive and F drive. This type of drives are present, and if you want to go inside it we can go inside. So this PC shows us that we have to go inside the computer and we can find out anything. Now recycle bin shows that it was just like a dustbin, and everything whatever the unused unimportant things are where we are deleting it, and that is going inside the recycle bin. This Chrome is used for Google purpose, for internet. By seeing the image you can go double clicking it and going inside the internet. All these things are the desktop, the icons which are present on the desktop. Okay, see all these images we have already seen. Whenever we starting the computer, when we are using the computer, we can find out this type of icons there. Okay, now we will see the definition. Icons, these are the small pictures that represent a program. These are the small pictures. This is the pictures, and it shows us that this is a type of something, means we can have to do. By going inside it we can do anything. It is a program. Dustbin, it is a program means it is just a program, so that whatever we are deleting is going inside it. That's why it is a program. Okay, now we will see the next slide. Apps, we will see the app. See student, this time I can't show you the practical face to face. Okay, every time I am showing you every practical face to face, and then only you are going to do the. This time you have to take lot of effort, so that I am explaining you everything. I will send you some videos also, so that you can get how the things are running. Okay, so apps are, see, a program or application software to do specific work. I will show you. One sec. See, these are the apps. All these in Windows 10 you have seen this type of apps. All these apps are present in your Windows 10. Means you can go we can go inside these apps and you can do any type of work. We can go inside this app and we can do our work. Okay, so these are the apps. Now I will show you what is app. App is a program or application software to do specific work. App is a program or application software to do specific work. To do specific work means if you are going inside PPT app, PowerPoint app is there. If it is present, if you are going inside it, you can find out PowerPoint presentation. Word app is there. If you are going inside it, we can find out Microsoft Word. Excel app, and so many different types of apps are there. For whatever the things, if you want to do it as an app, you can do it. You can make that app. I will send you the video of that how. the practical purpose we have to see all those things. Okay, these apps you have already seen. Whenever you are handling the computer of our computer lab, we can find out these apps in our computer. Okay, now the next one is your start menu. See, start menu. What is start menu? This is your start menu, means this is your start button. See, this is your start button. If you are clicking here, if you are clicking here, if you are clicking here, you can find out that it is opening something, some app list is opening. So that is your start menu. Start menu, what it is doing, this is a menu that opens when the start button is clicked. All these things are the menus. Okay, 1 minute. See, these all are the menus. Okay, when we are clicking here on this start button, when we are clicking here on start button, I explained you this in 5th standard, which buttons are name of all buttons. This is the start button. Okay, this start button, when we are clicking these programs, okay, this menu is opening. Got it? This menu is opening when we are clicking the start button. See, start button, this is for everything, for shutdown, for going inside the apps, for tiles. Now I will tell you which is the app and which is the tile. These are the app list. What? App list. And these are the tiles. These are small in size. App list is small in size. And tiles, you know, the tiles of our house floor have tiles. These are like square tiles. That's why these are known as tiles, and these are small in size. That's why these are the apps. Difference you have to see like this only. Okay, then only you will remember which tile. Tile means it is square shape, bigger in size than app. App means it is small in size. Understood? Very good. You have to understood this time, because practical with face to face is not possible. You have to note down everything. You have to try. If you have your computer at your home, you have to try everything. But whatever the things I am explaining today is almost 70% I cleared you in 5th standard. That's why I think it is easy for you to understood today's point. Okay, now next is your icon list. Now see, icon list, this is your icon list. In icon list, start button is present, power button here. See, settings also present, file explorer is present, and PC name is present. Okay, all these things are not so much important for you, only these two things are important. Are you getting? Start button is important for us and power button is most important for us. Okay, now we will see start button. You know, whenever if you want to go inside, you can go start button, click the start button, then you will find out the list, app list, tiles and everything. That is only for that purpose start button is there. Okay, now what is icon list? This has a shortcut icons such as power, setting, file explorer, everything. Shortcut, you don't have to go inside anything. If you are opening this icon list, you will find all these things here only, and if you are clicking it, you can go inside it directly. There is no need to find out, to explore, to go and search anything. Everything shortcut icons are present here. Okay, this is your icon list. You whenever we will do the interactive session, in that if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Icon list, icons, tiles, apps, so many things are there. If you have any doubt, 1 or 2 times you have to watch the video and then ask me. Okay, next is your app list. This displays an alphabetical arranged list of installed app on our computer. See, alphabetically arranged means A, B, C, D, like this. It was arranged like this of installed app, whatever the apps you have installed in your computer. For example, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Paint, Word, Excel, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, all these things we are installing in our computer. That's why and things we can find out here. App list. This is your app list. Okay, small, see the small, and these are the biggest, that's why these are the tiles and these are the app list. Okay, this displays an alphabetical arranged list of installed app on your computer, on our computer. Okay, what it displays, alphabetical arrange, alphabetically it was arranged. If you want to find out the Microsoft Office, you have to go inside the M, you will get it directly. There is no need to search one by one. Directly go inside the M, you will get Microsoft Office. Now next is your tiles. I already explained you big tile, big square shaped boxes are there present in your, whenever you opening the start button, that are your tiles. This section displays the tiles of installed app for quick access. This section displays the tiles of installed app. Whatever the apps are there now, they all those apps are only you can find out in big size, only in big size. Things are same, app are also, and tiles are also same, but tiles looks in big size and you can go inside it double clicking, and apps are also the same. But if you want the shortcut, you don't need to find out where is the Microsoft Office, where is the Paint. Directly if you are pinned to start, you will find the thing directly there. If you are opening here directly, tiles will get you inside the app directly. It was big in size, and whatever the important things you want, daily using apps, for example Microsoft Office, Paint, Google Chrome, Mozilla, all these things are daily news, daily we are using this. That's why we are keeping all these things in a form of tiles. Got it? So what is tiles? Displays the tiles of installed app for quick access. Quick access means directly you can go inside, there is no need to search. If you are doing this work daily, do unpin the pin to start, right click, pin to start, you will find out that app is present. I explained you these things in 5th standard. Now taskbar. This is your taskbar. Taskbar is the lowermost point. See, means on our desktop downside you will find out this taskbar. This taskbar, whatever the things are present here, see date, time, it is present date and time, sound, and whatever the apps are open, we can find out these are the apps which are the open. This is Cortana search box, we can search anything. This is your start button, this is your Cortana search box. Okay, and these are the apps which are present, which are running in background. Date and time is present here. Okay, understood? This is the taskbar which contains all these things. Task view button, icons for open program. Once only you have to find out this. Next is your jump list. Jump list means, see, this is taskbar. This is your taskbar. If so many programs are open at a time, so many files are open at a time, if you are clicking on it, it will give you this type of list. It is your jump list. You know, right click, if you are doing right click, then cut, copy, paste, file, all these things are coming, that is also a jump list. Jump list means at a time they were giving you so many options. Jump list of this jump list is also the same. If so many files are open at a time, it will show you like in a format that all these things are open. That is your jump list. It opens at once all the things, you will find out yes these things are open. That's why it is known as jump list. We can directly jump to the documents, pictures, songs or website, okay, which we can access frequently. This jump list means if you are going right clicking, then view, sort by, personalize, copy paste, all these things are present. Just like that, the jump list is of different types. When the different position we are using different types of, we will find out different types of jump list. Okay, this jump list is of taskbar. We have seen now only. 1 minute, I will show you. This taskbar is that all these things. See, this is your taskbar. Okay, All these things are present. All these things are the files which are opened in background. If you are clicking on one, it will show you as a jump list. Okay, these are the jump list. Okay, now you understood taskbar. Tiles also completed, taskbar also completed. Now jump list also completed. Thank you for listening everything. Okay, these are the today's topics one by one. If you want to see jump list, this is your taskbar which is present on desktop downside. Tiles which are square shape, big size, they are tiles. And the others is your app list. Icon list which is present, start button, there you will find everything is like this. Okay. Tiles, apps, everything is present in start menu. And these are the apps. Small size are their apps. See, they are in small size, they are apps. Tiles, they are in big size. Difference between them you have to find out. Icon list. Okay, icons. Okay, hope you understood each and every point. If then only you then also if you have any doubt, we can solve in our interactive session.